Hey guys, what's up? I know 8 मिनट वापस लेट हूँ बट मेरे से मेरा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है तो वो मैं मेंटेन कर रहा हूँ अबाउट फेसबुक लाइव एंड मैं थोड़ा सा लेट विद मुंबई ट्रैफिक. This live is your live. We building an audience for you. Okay, so have we started or we have not started? I have no idea. I think we have started. Yes. Okay. So guys, सबसे पहले I just want to say thank you so much for all the support and votes and everything जो आप लोगों ने किया है मेरे लिए एंड अलीशा के लिए फॉर दिस झलक जर्नी. थैंक यू, मीन्स अ लॉट फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट. लव यू गाइस, लव यू. Yes, now people are asking me questions. Hey bro, what's up? Put on a mask to give yourself a fun look. Tap the magic mark. What is this? I don't know. Hello guys. Hello. Okay, people are joining, so it's nice. Very nice. And the journey has been amazing thanks to you guys. It started because of you guys, because आप लोगों ने कहीं ना कहीं made sure कि मैं झलक next करूँ and I did that and I'm very happy no matter about the results, but I'm very happy कि I got this platform and आप लोगों के सामने मुझे अपना talent show करने का मौका मिला, आप लोगों को entertain करने का मौका मिला. And I'm very happy and I'm very glad with the amount of respect that I've gained. So thank you so much.
Suha is asking, will you come back on any other reality show?
I would love to. It was a lovely experience working on a reality show. So मजा आया मुझे तो. And देखते हैं अगर आगे कुछ मिलता है तो definitely.
Anisha Bhatia is asking, what are your future plans and when can we see you back on screen?
Very soon maybe. I don't know. अभी तक कुछ plan as such नहीं किया. I'm just waiting for some good opportunities. तो जैसे ही कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा, we'll definitely come back on TV and or other platform, maybe on YouTube or web series. So and we'll again entertain you guys.
Megha saying they loved all your performances and hats off.
Thank you, Megha.
Your favorite. Bubbly is asking your favorite song in 2016.
2016 favorite song. That's what 2016 का favorite song अभी एक ही दिमाग में आ रहा है, वो क्यूटी पाई आय हाय. एंड बिकॉज़ ये पूरा 2016 मेरा वही है, एक चीज डिफाइन कर दिया पूरा, that is क्यूटी पाई. So yes.
Prakriti is asking, when will you conduct a workshop in
लखनऊ आते हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं, आप लोगों से करते हैं कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ करके. we'll definitely come to लखनऊ very soon, maybe very soon. चलो लखनऊ वालों ने इंटरेस्ट दिखाया तो we'll definitely come that side.
Monica is asking you to take her name and say
Monica, oh my darling.
So Angel is saying that they loved all your performances since D3.
Thank you. Okay, you are.
Jayashree is asking you, this is Shilpa, your favorite actress and actor is?
Favorite actor and actresses? I don't know. हॉलीवुड में है, मैं बोलूँगा लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो, और मैं थोड़ा सा कैमरा भी थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर देता हूँ. You guys can see me. लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो एंड बॉलीवुड में कंगना रनावत. So yeah, these are my two favorite actresses. But guys, anything you want to ask? Actually, I just want to thank you guys for Jhalak. You are the winner, true winner, as you may many hearts. Yes, exactly. Love you and your talent. Thank you so much. That is what I was talking about. I love the fact that I have gained so much respect out of dancing and through this Jhalak platform. So I'm very happy about this whole achievement. More than winning, I think this is important, and thanks to you guys, I have achieved that.
Khushi Jain is asking about a workshop in
Jaipur. Very soon, maybe. Very soon, yeah. Workshop का मैं अभी तो ऐसे कुछ बोल नहीं सकूँगा. So let's see.
Bipasha Biswas says that Shantanu did not won Jhalak Dikh Raja, but we won all your hearts, all our hearts.
Yes, thank you.
Priyanka Paul, hello, how are you? You're my king of heart. When are you coming back to Kolkata? Or when are you coming to Kolkata?
Very soon, maybe. Very soon. मैं कलकत्ता कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Let's see, अगर वो चीज़ सही से हो जाएगी, then I might come to Kolkata. Otherwise, थोड़ा और टाइम रुकना पड़ेगा मुझे रुकना पड़ेगा, आपको नहीं. So ऐसा. Even I feel very excited to go back to Calcutta.
Please say hi to Nilanjana.
Nilanjana, Hi, namaste.
Jayashri wants to know when are you coming back for a drama series?
For a drama series, जैसे कि मैंने कहा ऐसे कुछ something nothing is fixed है. I'm looking out for good opportunities. So let's see.
So Aarti
Your
wants
last
to-
performance was amazing in Jhalak Dikhla Jaa, amazing. Is Alicia alright? Yes, she's alright. Alicia is fine. उसका हाथ काफी हद तक recover हो गया है, so she's very good. And yes, hats off to her for continuing the performance.
Vinny Rushan wants to sing, hear you sing. So sing a song for all your well wishers.
Okay, so आप पहले मुझे next question में आप मुझे song suggest करिए कौन सा आपको सुनना है. I think you want to leave. That's why you're asking me to sing song.
Meenakshi saying she wants to be a dancer but her family doesn't allow it. So what should she do?
ये मैं कैसे जवाब दूँ? But try to convince them. That's what I can say. छुप छुप के थोड़ा बहुत डांस करते रहो. जो वो चाहते हैं करना वो तो करो. उसके साथ साथ आपको डांस भी करना पड़ेगा. I know it's little extra effort that you will have to make, but try to do that. It might work for you. जो वो चाहते हैं वो भी करो और साथ साथ डांस भी करो. And डांस में दोनों में अगर आप एक्सेल करोगे तो I think वो भी agree कर जाएंगे आपसे. Try this. Yes.
Ranjana saying to please talk to them in Bengali. Say something in Bengali.
কি শুনতে চাও? আমি একটা একটু প্র্যাকটিস করছি আমার বাংলা सुधारने को मेरे को वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोलते আমি চাই কি আমার বাংলা ভোকাবুলারি একটু ভালো হয়ে যায় এন্ড আমি ফ্লুয়েন্টলি বেঙ্গলি কথা করতে পারবো yes
Nishi Thakkar wants to know what is your next plan and your future dreams.
My future dreams, I still didn't get one, but yes, I want to make it. I want to keep entertaining you guys. That's my plan, and I want to keep dancing as well. Take these yogas to places, and as I said, I will continue working on making the academy that I was talking about during the Chalak journey. So I want to do that, and it's not that he wo nahi hua to I will drop that plan. It's still there. I am trying to do things so that I can achieve that.
Tripti Rishi wants to meet you and he wants to know that when are you going to get back to Bangkok.
Bangkok, get back. I didn't.
That is what.
हाँ मतलब मैं तो कभी गया ही नहीं बैंकॉक सो वेरी मे बी हम मिलेंगे यार बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे एंड आई विल गो टू बैंकॉक नॉट अगेन बट या फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई माइट गो शानू आई लाइक अ क्यूट स्माइल अ लॉट व्हेनेवर आई एम डिप्रेस्ड आई प्ले आई कुडंट नीड टू कमेंट आप लोग बहुत फटाफट करते
Shreya Vasan wants you to take her name. Shreya Vasan.
श्रेया बसन सारे बसन
It's WASAN.
बसन ओके श्रेया बसन मैं बोलूँगा शाहिद वसीम की बहन आ गई ओके आज I'm not a dancer but I love your dance a lot बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता है तुम पढ़ कैसे बात करो ये शाना हमारे स्लॉट में लीला ने कौन से डीजे जिसमें सो मुझे नहीं यार कमिंग दिल्ली यस यार दिल्ली आना है यार बहुत लोग बुला रहे हैं दिल्ली के लिए यस
Nija is saying that she quit dance for health issues. Anything you want to tell her?
ओके हेल्थ इश्यूज आई डोंट नो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आपके हेल्थ इश्यूज क्या है नहीं तो मैं जरूर बोल पाता कुछ बेटर सजेशन दे पाता बट आई एम श्योर रिकवर कर जाओगे थोड़े दिन में या फिर क्या है ट्राई अपने डॉक्टर से सलाह करते रहिए आई डोंट थिंक ही विल आल्सो स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम डांसिंग मे बी हार्डकोर डांसिंग नहीं कर पाओगे बट आप डांसिंग तो कर ही पाओगे सो यू कैन स्टिल लिव योर हॉबी और पैशन व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू से
Poonam is saying that you're in Broadway, your shoes came out, but you still continued dancing.
अरे I was so irritated यार I was so irritated पता है मेरे को ऐसे वो that was my favorite step that I wanted to do properly नहीं कर पाया because of my shoe came out and Messi and Nimin भी मेरे साथ ऐसे बात कर रहे थे ऐसे क्या वो कैसे नहीं किया and I was like मेरा shoe निकल गया था तो he was like अच्छा तभी आप लोग सोच रहे कि क्यों नहीं किया so even I was irritated कि यार shoe निकल गया But एक चीज मैंने सीखी है guys actually I would love to share with you guys all the dancers and who are going to perform आगे भी जाकर जब भी कुछ मिस्टेक होती है ना तो परफॉर्मेंस के बाद भी कभी वो नहीं करो don't show that ये मैंने सीखी है झलक में because मतलब आप अगर कुछ गलत भी होता है ना don't show that to the audience because they don't know what you had prepared so you know be confident smile because बाकियों को नहीं पता कि आपने क्या prepare किया और क्या perform किया Yes.
Shivani is saying, how did it feel when Hrithik commented so well on your dance?
It was very nice actually. मैंने भी टेलीकास्ट में बहुत बेटर रूप से सुना क्योंकि मैं भी जब डांस के बाद जैसे था तो मैं ऐसे उस ऑ में ही था सब लोगों को देख रहा था सब लोगों के कमेंट सुन तो रहा था बट बहुत ज़्यादा फील नहीं कर पा रहा था बट yes it was so nice it was so humble he's so humble and down to earth I mean वो इतने बड़े हीरो मेरे लिए ये सारी चीज़ें बोलना उनके लिए भी एक आसान मतलब बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड ऑनर्ड आई विल से.
Hetal Joshi wants to know what was the feeling when Hrithik sir bowed down to you and appreciated you.
वो what do I say? क्या बोलूँ मैं, मतलब I was too overwhelmed. मतलब इतना बड़ा आर्टिस्ट तुम्हारे सामने bow down कर रहा है and appreciating your dance and saying that you know that's my kind of dancing and then bowing in front of you. So वो बहुत बड़ा achievement लगा मुझे and बहुत अच्छा लगा कि you know final performance भी अच्छे से गई. So yeah.
Isha wants to know what was the favorite memory or episode of Jhalak Dikhla Ja for you.
सारे एपिसोड एंड सारे राउंड्स के अलग अलग बिहाइंड द सीन्स हैं मेरे दिमाग में. सो आई रियली कांट पिन पॉइंट, बट ऐसे पिन पॉइंट से जबरदस्ती बंदूक की नोक के सामने करना पड़ा तो आई वुड से डांसिंग ऑन मैं दीवाना इन फ्रंट ऑफ गणेश सर एंड गणेश सर. अच्छा ये चलो ये हो गया. हाँ नहीं ठीक है चलिए. ओके गणेश सर के सामने डांस करना एंड उनके साथ स्टेज शेयर करना, दैट वाज समथिंग वेरी बिग. एंड यस इन द अच्छा ठीक है सॉरी आप लोग बोलते रहो फिर मैं बाद में बीच में बोलूँगा.
So Junaid Khan says that we loved Alisha and you both as a partner and we really would appreciate to see you both together again.
Yes, thank you, and maybe we might come back again and do something together maybe. Yes.
Pallavi Bhagwat wants to know, do you have any plans on coaching students and children for dance in future?
Coaching, as I said, कि definitely मुझे एक academy type की खोलनी है जहाँ पर I can, you know, people can get proper training in dancing and yes वो मेरा है thought है मेरे दिमाग में वो है बात. तो I will definitely want to coach or train people.
With which Bollywood actress you would want to go on a date? Ritu and Vani wants to know this.
Bollywood actress ना?
Yeah.
कंगना रनावत और प्रियंका चोपड़ा also. I was recently watching Coffee with Karan, so yeah, I want to know more about it.
Okay, Mihika Saralas, आजकल you're looking hotter. What's the reason? Something special?
आपका जो नजरिया वो चेंज हो गया. So it's nice. I appreciate जो आपका नजरिया चल रहा है.
Vishal is asking, can you conduct a workshop at Varanasi? Varanasi.
Why can't we conduct? If you have someone, then do connect with us on email. Our mail ID is officialdesioffers@gmail.com. अगर कुछ है where you want to tie up and do things, we'll be more than happy. So do contact us. Yeah.
Arnab Gupta wants to know what has changed in you as a performer from the day one performance and the last performance on Jhalak.
Lot of things has changed. The wear and tear of the body was too much to start with. There was a big change, I will say. But overall, as a performer, I feel more confident when I'm performing, and I have learned new styles. So उससे बहुत help होता है to execute, to gain that confidence. I think I have gained that, and that has really helped my dancing. The way I think, वो बहुत affect हुआ है.
Kanishka Gupta wants to ask you, what does motivate you so much for dance, even after having so many injuries? You never lacked in your practice.
I'm sure you must be having some kind of passion for something. अगर आपसे आपको वो चीज़ करने बोला जाए और आपको बहुत hurt भी होए वो चीज़ करने में, तो still you will want to do that. So वैसा ही है. I love dancing and I want to do that and I want to keep training myself. I want to keep learning. So वो सारी चीज़ें जो motivate करता है to keep dancing out injuries के बावजूद.
Sayu is asking, if you got a chance to star in a Bollywood film, who would you like to be casted with? Opposite.
Opposite. मेरे ख्याल से मेरे सामने कोई न्यूकमर ही आएगा तो न्यूकमर I don't know. Newcomer maybe. Yeah. Or maybe Kanna.
Okay, Ritik Agarwal wants to know, who was your favorite contestant on Jhalak Dikhla Ja?
Favorite contestant. I don't know. इतना टाइम नहीं मिला कि अपना favorite चुनूं मैं. It was nice seeing everyone dance and I was in that zone कि मैं अपना ही खुद का बहुत मेहनत कर रहा था. So ऐसा कोई favorite तो ऐसा कोई था नहीं मेरा. But if I want to say, I don't know. कुछ आता है दिमाग में तो मैं बोलता हूँ फेवरेट के लिए.
Astha is asking, tell us about your experience about being part of the Bollywood park in Dubai and your experience with SRK.
Bollywood Park in Dubai. मैं भी वहाँ पर गया नहीं actually अभी तक. But yes, I have got a few pictures and other comments. It's a nice ride, guys. अगर आप दुबई जा रहे हो तो please वो जगह घूमिए. It's a very nice park that they have made, and but it was very nice working with Shahrukh sir. He's very humble, he's very down to earth. ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि नहीं, ऐसा लगता भी है कि आप सुपरस्टार के साथ काम कर रहे हो, but ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि because he doesn't make you feel कि वो बहुत बड़े स्टार है. So it's but he has that aura जिसकी वजह से आपको लगता है कि आप सुपरस्टार के सामने खड़े हो.
Mihika sir wants to know what kind of role you would want to play on screen now. Like which kind of shape, what shape?
What will you like to see? I don't know. I mean, I can. It has to be a little challenging for me. I think that is important. वो अगर मुझे challenge करेगा कोई role तो it'll be fun for me. It'll be interesting.
Zora wants to know what was the most pleasant moment or the best moment on Jhalak for you.
As I said, the last episode, finale episode where Hrithik Roshan, Ganesh sir, all of the eminent big personalities, I got a chance to share the stage with them. वो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा moment था and मुझे मैं cherish करूँगा. And even प्रभुदेवा सर का जो message आया था, गोविंदा सर के सामने dance करना and dancing with my mom. So that was her dream come true. So that was very special.
Khushbu's asking, how was your experience performing with Sulaiman?
Sulaiman, अरे मस्त बंदा है वो, बहुत मस्त बंदा है. He's so talented and he's so young. So अभी उसको और भी कितनी सारी चीजें सीखना है. वो सिर्फ फ्लूट नहीं बजाता है, बहुत सारी अलग अलग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स भी बजाता है. He can sing also. So he's like a bundle of talent. And it was awesome to work with him यार. मतलब बहुत ही humble है, बहुत ही शांत स्वभाव का आदमी है, एकदम मेरे जैसा है. मतलब मैं उसको रिलेट कर पाता हूँ, उससे मैं अपने आप को रिलेट कर पाता हूँ. But he is very talented. We'd love to collaborate again with him. Yes.
Harshita is asking, what do you think about Manish Paul as a person?
Arey, as rightly said, everyone keeps giving him this hashtag Sultan of Stage. Totally deserve. I think Jhalak आधे से ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं हर सीजन देखने because of him. Because वो dances तो yes definitely है एक part, but lot of people watch Jhalak to see Manish Paul, and Manish bhai is doing awesome work. Hats off to him, and he is totally Sultan of Stage. And बहुत लोग उनका ही copy करते हैं but I think that's out of respect because वो naturally हो जाता है. Because when you see him talk, the way he talks, the way he the way he hosts a show, वो automatically आप copy करने लगते हो. So hats off to him what he's doing.
Divita Kochar wants to know that one crazy thing a fan did for you that really made you happy or smile.
आप लोग जो भी करते हो that makes me smile, and that's really very overwhelming because आप half of the time out of the way जाकर अपना time, अपना energy, इतना सब कुछ लगाते हो. Okay, now that you have asked, I will say especially अभी जो time था जब where the voting and everything had started, I think आप लोगों ने मेरे लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें की हैं और कुछ चीज़ें मुझे सुनने में भी आई. बहुत लोग मेरे लिए मंदिर गए थे to pray for me so that I win as an Alisha and I win. So thank you so much, means a lot. और मतलब कभी-कभार मैं भी सोचता हूँ कि क्या मैं किसी के लिए ऐसा इतना सब कुछ कर सकूँगा, and I have not been able to find the right answer. I don't think मैं किसी के लिए इतना भी कुछ कर सकूँगा, but when I see you guys do that, मेरा mindset change हो जाता है. And I think even I have started liking few things in a more passionate manner. So मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि आप मुझसे कितना connected हो, and that's why आप मुझे इतना प्यार करते हो, इतना connected हो. That's why you can do these things. So I feel very blessed कि वो bond हमारे बीच में बना.
Shania is asking, who's your favorite judge on Jhalak?
सभी जज बेस्ट हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मैं कि मैं सिंगल वो ले लूँगा. बट यस, जैकलीन एंड गणेश सर. या बट सब अच्छे हैं. कोई ऐसा नहीं कि गुस्सा होगा उनसे या कुछ. यप.
Nanisha is asking, you performed with your mom. How was that?
बहुत मज़ा आया. मैंने बहुत मुझे मज़ा आया एक्चुअली मम्मी के साथ परफॉर्म करने में and मम्मी को मैं बीच में थोड़ा डांटता भी था बिकॉज इट वाज अ बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर हर आल्सो कि वो हमेशा से बोलती थी कि उनको इतने बड़े स्टेज पे डांस करना है शी नेवर गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड शी हैड स्टॉप डांसिंग ऑफ लेटली सो अच्छा लगा कि उनको वापस एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला उनको मौका मिला डांस करने का एंड एवरीवन अप्रिशिएटेड सो इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस फीलिंग
Sakshi Deshmukh wants to know who would be your favorite partner besides Alisha on Jhalak to pair with.
I think hands down it has to be Alisha only because कोई और अगर मेरे साथ होता तो वो नहीं कर पाता जो हम लोग ने किया है इस पूरे सीजन the kind of performances that we have done I think only Alisha could have done that and she did a brilliant job अपने आप को इतना push करना मुझे इतना push करना that's commendable that's really commendable and thank you Alisha.
So Pranali wants to know Sunny Leone posted a video for you. What do you feel about that?
She's so sweet. I didn't expect her to post that Goat Appeal wala video, and I got a chance to meet her after that. And I mean, I thanked her personally for doing that. She's very sweet, very humble. I have worked with her, but I didn't expect at all. जितना आप लोगों के लिए वो surprising होगा, उतना मेरे लिए भी surprising था. The way, I mean, उनका video. So मैं भी उसको 20 बार देखा.
Sayu Khan says, I heard you are a very reserved person. So what was it difficult to open up in industry in the starting when you were?
I think I'm still very reserved. I don't think कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम happy go lucky हूँ and in terms of whatever. But I think I'm still a little reserved. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुल गया.
Isha is asking, will you accept movie opportunities?
Definitely हर एक्टर को मूवी करना रहता है कौन बोलेगा कि नहीं I don't want to do a movie. Definitely I do want to do movies and yes as I said I'm looking for good opportunities. लगे हैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ.
Natasha wants to know any adventure, anything you would want to do in future. Any kind of adventures.
हाँ हर चीज़ में तो मेरे को तो बहुत मज़ा आता है. I have never tried anything as such but बस डेला गया हूँ अभी एडवेंचर के नाम पे तो yes I want to do more such stuff and be more adventurous and try new things.
Anushka is asking, so many people did shout outs for you. How was your reaction?
It was very nice. I mean I'll be very honest जब see I have a dancing background so जब मैं choreographers के videos देख रहा था though who were supporting us it was really very nice and overwhelming कि मुझे नहीं लग रहा था कि कभी उन्होंने मतलब वो मेरे लिए कभी shout out देंगे या फिर this whole voting system was very new and at the same time it was an eye opener कि कौन किसके साथ as in you know who is really attached to you who is doing things for a very calculative reason so it was really very an eye opener and I felt very nice and एक होता है ना clear हो गई image सब लोगों की and I'm very happy and very thankful for all those people who had given me shout outs for me बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Divya Ratha wants to know one word you would describe Alisha as in one word.
One word Alisha. Bijli. Yeah, Bijli. She has a lot of energy and yes, Bijli की तरह dance करती है so yes.
Kanishka is asking if you got a chance to do anchoring in a reality show, would you do it?
Yeah, it's a great learning. I think मुझे वो भी सीखने को मिलेगा and मज़ा आएगा वो भी कुछ नया try करने को मिलेगा तो so yeah, it will be fun and as an artist as a performer you should know everything so it will be fun and interesting to learn this art as well.
If Sita is asking, did you see the trending last night?
Yes, about that actually, initially I forgot to say that. Thank you so much guys. Shantanu, क्या आया था उसका ट्रेंड का? Shantanu, we love you. ऐसा कुछ है वो शायद ट्रेंडिंग. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for doing that. I mean, आप लोग कुछ चीजें करते हो which is really very overwhelming and दिल को छू जाती है seriously दिल को छू जाती है. So thank you so much for doing that. Means so much to me. Seriously. Thank you everyone who were part of this and making it possible. पता नहीं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ but yes, I mean आप लोग समझ गए. basically.
Komal is asking if you get a plan to do a film with Jacqueline, what will your reaction be?
अरे मजा आएगा. I would love to do a film with her. I mean, it was lovely. It was amazing dancing with her on stage in the performance. I'm sure you guys must have seen. वो दिल धड़कने दो का गाना था. कौन सा गाना था वो? But हाँ समझ गए आप लोग. So yeah, it was fun dancing with her. So I'm sure with the energy that she has, it'll be fun to work on a movie with her.
Lakshmi Sindhu is currently typing every next comment. It's her birthday and she wants you to wish her.
Yes. क्या नाम?
Lakshmi Sindhu.
Lakshmi Sindhu, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. ये मैंने comment शायद Instagram में पढ़ा है आपका, if I'm not wrong. So yes, happy birthday to you and have a great year ahead. Hope you get whatever you want in life.
Muskan is asking the best thing you like about Calcutta.
Yeah, about
Calcutta.
Calcutta, best thing of the peace, the serenity, the silence the city has. नहीं, actually silence नहीं है city में, बहुत honking होती है. So that's not. But yeah, it's very nice. It's very relaxing. A good place to relax, I feel.
Farnaz Garbia asks, how was it to dance again or reunite with your D3 team on Jhalak after a long time?
D3 team on Jhalak. It was actually कल की छोकरे के लिए हम लोग reunite हुए थे, तो उसके लिए बहुत मजा आया. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. I mean, you know, dancing with them, and it was really nice of them to support me when I was during Jhalak. वो लोग आए थे देखने के लिए. So yes, बहुत अच्छा लगा. And one of the best shout out videos जो है वो Sam का है. I feel Sam has done like an awesome job. वो मतलब उसने तो क्या shout out दिया है. It's like my personal favorite. Hers and Rohan जो तीसरे ओवर क्रू का है. Rap, very nice. And Nilesh was back for the shout out. So thanks. Yeah.
Valerie is asking if Shantanu ever has his own YouTube channel.
Well, maybe यार अच्छा है. देखते सोचते. I'll think about this. I'll think about it.
Susan is asking if Karan Johar cast you in a film with Jacqueline, Farah Ma'am and Ganesh, how will it be?
It will be fun. I think it will be Jhalak reunion for me, and it'll be fun. It'll be fun to you know to work with these guys. They are like experienced people in the industry. मजा आएगा. मेरे पे बहुत मेहनत होगी मतलब.
Aisha is asking the best thing about Nimit and the worst thing about Nimit.
Nimit. अच्छा Nimit. The best thing about Nimit is he likes to be perfect. Definitely. But जब सामने वाला किसी को ट्रेन करता रहता है वो तो he wants to see everything in a perfect manner. सब चीज़ सटीक होना चाहिए. And he's little worst thing about him is he's at times lost. So वो थोड़ा सा है which he has to work on. उसको बोला है हमने actually.
Leila is asking you to please do the baby को बेस पसंद है step her son loved it.
जो झलक में किया था कि इसमें क्या? I don't remember this test. I am so sorry. I don't remember. इनको ऐसे पसंद. I don't remember. एक बार सलमान वाला कर देता हूँ ऐसा कुछ है. ऐसा कुछ है शायद. मेरे को सच में नहीं याद है तो मैं जरूर कर देता हूँ. मुझे नहीं याद है.
Shanu says Ganesh sir tweeted today that you're really sweet and he would like to work with you. Did you see it?
I happened to see it just before the video, so I couldn't retweet that and give my comment. So wait for that. I will retweet and I'll comment on that. So, yeah.
Manika is asking how would you feel if you get to perform with the world famous dancers?
It'll be awesome. There will be so much to learn from them, and sharing the stage with like eminent personalities. It'll be a dream come true. So
Okay.
yes.
Apeksha Sridhar wants to ask, would you accept a Saas Bahu serial?
अरे ऐसा नहीं है कि I've always been saying this, but मुझे कुछ और quote कर दिया जाता है. So I'm looking out. I look for good opportunities. So if I have something that is more challenging and that I haven't done before, I tend to do that. I tend to take up that work. It's not that I restrict myself to Saas Bahu. But अगर interesting character नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं क्या play करूँगा?
Anshuta is asking what
Okay.
would your reaction be if you work with Prabhudev Asif, if you get a chance to.
Wow. मतलब अगर आप आपके इंस्पिरेशन के साथ वर्क करने मिले आपको, so what better than what's best than that? And I think the best education, ये माइकल जैक्सन का quote है, the best education in the world is to watch masters at work. So that defines everything. Last two questions, I feel. Yes.
Aisha is asking, what is the best thing about Messi?
Best thing about Messi, अरे बहुत he's hilarious. That's the best part about him. He's very loud and very hilarious. और उसमें shoot कर रहा है बहुत सही, बहुत सही.
Okay, now this is a request. Manika Kashyap wants you to perform a step from Kala Chashma. A step.
क्या काला चश्मा का स्टेप क्या है? वैसे बुझाएगा. काला चश्मा जचदा है, खड़े पे. So yes. And last question.
Nida is asking, how does it feel to be interacting with your fans on social media?
Okay, I will say it feels awesome. It feels great to interact with you guys on social media. I think जब आप लोगों के as in you guys always wanted me to be a little more active on social media, and I'm trying my best to do that. It's fun with the so many questions that you guys have. Thank you. I mean, I really appreciate it. It's always fun to interact with you guys personally as well as through social media. And once again, I'm signing out. And before that, I just want to thank you guys. Thank you so much for so much love that you guys have shown and whatever you guys have done for me till date, especially during the voting period and the journey and Chalak's journey. Thank you so much. Thanks for the trending. मुंबई में मैंने ट्रेंड किया था, if I'm not wrong. मुंबई में आप लोगों की वजह से मैंने ट्रेंड किया था. तो thank you so much for all the big things that you guys do and all the small छोटी चीजें जो आप लोग मेरे लिए करते हो. It means a lot. I know it's very understatement when I say thanks. It means a lot. But such में from bottom of my heart, I'll keep learning new things. I'll keep working on myself and keep entertaining you guys. Love you guys. Love you. Yes. Now I'm signing off.